Hi, I'm Blake Kohler. I'm the CEO of Pulse for Good. And this is going to be a training on how to use the Pulse for Good system to be able to get feedback from the vulnerable people that you serve. The Pulse for Good system is pretty simple. I'm sure you're a little familiar with it, but I want to give you just a brief overview before we get into some of the details. Basically, the system is designed to help you gather feedback from people experiencing a vulnerability in a way that feels safest for them and provides the most psychological safety as possible. We do this in a few different ways, and one of the most prominent is by using kiosks, like you can see on our webpage here. These kiosks run continually running surveys where people are able to give anonymous responses to the questions you ask them. And those questions will all be filtered into a dashboard for you to be able to look at, find patterns or trends or areas that you can improve. All of this is built around an idea of continuous improvement using this thing called a feedback loop. Feedback loops are very common. You see them in all sorts of things. One of the most prominent is in biology, where you have, for instance, pain receptors that feel something painful and cause you to withdraw and say, don't touch that anymore, right? It's the same thing we're looking for here. We want to ask a question, is this thing helping? Collect the responses, analyze them, implement changes based off of that type of feedback that we received, and then notify people when the changes have been made, both people inside of organizations and the people we're serving. So they then know how to interact with whatever the new context is. The system is designed to help you get through this process fairly well, although the implementing and the notifying is something your team's going to have to handle yourselves. I'm going to lead you through how to look at the survey, how to see the survey responses, see what people are looking at when they take it online, or what they're getting when they view it on the kiosk, and explain how some of this data flows. Additionally, I'll go over some of the features that are inside of the dashboard, how to change languages, how to view the survey responses, how to view survey responses by time or filter on them to try and find different patterns or trends. If you have any additional questions, we'll have other training videos, but this should be a good overview to give you an idea of what to expect using the Pulse system.